Lecture 5. Lists. A list is an ordered collection of items that can be modified, mutable. It allows duplicate elements and is indexed by position. Key properties. Ordered, the order of elements is preserved. Mutable, elements can be changed after creation. Allows duplicates, lists can contain repeated values. Indexing, elements are accessed using their position, zero-based index. Creating list. Lists can be created using square brackets, where elements are separated by commas. Here we are creating three different types of lists. The first list contains only integers, the second list contains strings, and the third is a mixed list that combines integers, strings, and floats. By printing each list, we can see how Python handles different data types within a list. Accessing list elements. List elements can be accessed using their index, starting from 0. Negative indexing starts from the end of the list. Lists are ordered collections of items. Each item in a list is assigned an index, starting from 0. Let's explore how to access and manipulate list elements. To access the first element of the list, we use index 0. You can also use negative indexing to access elements from the end of the list. Understanding how to access and modify list elements is fundamental for working with data in Python. Keep practicing, and you'll master these concepts in no time. Modifying lists. Lists are mutable, meaning you can modify their elements after creation. Elements can be changed, added, or removed. In this code, I have made a list of integers and then modify the second element of list to 100 value. Also in second part of code I modify the fourth index to 3032. Index start from 0, so the fourth index is basically 3. Removing elements. Elements can be removed using remove, pop, or clear. Remove removes the first occurrence of a value, pop removes an element by index, and clear removes all elements. Remove is used to delete the first occurrence of a specified value in the list. Pop removes an element based on its index and returns the removed value. Clear deletes all the elements in the list, leaving it empty. List operations. Lists support various operations such as concatenation, repetition, and finding the length of the list. Lists can be combined or merged using the plus symbol plus. This operation creates a new list by appending the elements of one list to another. For example, if you have two lists, list 1 with elements 1, 2, 3, and list 2 with elements 4, 5, 6, the expression list 1 plus list 2 results in a new list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Note that concatenation does not modify the original lists. You can repeat the elements of a list multiple times using the multiplication symbol. For instance, if you have a list 1 with elements 1, 2, 3, the expression list 1 times 3 creates a new list 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This is particularly useful when you need to generate patterns or duplicate elements. To determine the number of elements in a list, you can use the built-in len function. For example, if list 1 contains 1, 2, 3, len list 1 returns 3. This operation is especially helpful when working with dynamic lists or validating data. These operations allow you to efficiently manipulate and understand lists, making them a powerful tool in Python. List slicing. Slicing allows extracting a portion of the list by specifying a range of indices. List slicing in Python is a powerful feature that allows you to extract specific portions of a list. By specifying a range of indices, you can create a new list containing only the desired elements from the original list. The general syntax for slicing is, list start end step. Start, the index where the slice begins, inclusive. If omitted, slicing starts from the beginning of the list. End, the index where the slice ends, exclusive. If omitted, slicing continues to the end of the list. Step, the interval between elements in the slice. If omitted, the default step is 1. Here are few examples of list slicing. Watch the video carefully to understand list slicing. List methods. Lists come with several built-in methods for common tasks, such as sorting, reversing, and finding elements. Sorts the list in ascending order by default. Can sort in descending order using the reverse parameter. Reverse method simply reverses the order of elements in the list. Len function is used to find the length of list. Nested lists. A list can contain other lists as elements, forming a multi-dimensional list. Here I have created nested list using one main list named as list main. Main list contain first element which is also a list of strings data types. Second element of main list is also list of string. Third element of list contain one string as in our list. List comprehension. List comprehension provides a concise way to create lists based on existing lists or ranges. List comprehension in Python is a concise and elegant way to create lists. It allows you to generate new lists by applying an expression to each item in an existing sequence or iterable, optionally including a condition. Task. Create a program that performs the following operations on a list. Make an empty list. Add a number to the list. Remove the last number from the list. Sort the list in ascending order. Reverse the list. Display the current list. Make slice of slice. Make lists of integer, string and mixed data type. Concatenate them and find length of list and then slice the list from index 3 to 6. See you in the next video. Stay tuned and don't forget to like and share this video.